My prediction is based on 4 scenarios. 1. If Congress secures 9.6%, BJP's vote share will fall. 2. If Congress drops to 2.3%, BJP's vote share will rise. 3. If BJP votes shift to Congress, AAP will benefit significantly. 4. If Congress gains, AAP may lose 1%, but AAP still benefits overall. Key takeaways from the data. In 2020, Congress's vote share dropped from 9.6% to 4.3%, a loss of 5.3%. Most of this 5.3% shifted to BJP, boosting its vote share. BJP gained 5.3% from Congress, 0.7% from AAP, 0.2% from others. As a result, BJP's vote share rose from 32.3% to 38.5%. Calculation 32.3% original BJP share from 2015 plus 5.3% from Congress plus 0.7% from AAP plus 0.2% from others, 38.5% final BJP share in 2020. Why this matters? Understanding this vote shift is crucial to making sense of my predictions for the Delhi election 2025. Scenario 1. If Congress secures 9.6%, BJP vote share will fall. How? If Congress regains the vote share it lost in the 2020 election, it will benefit AAP, not BJP. Fact: in 2020, a significant portion of Congress's vote share, 5.3%, shifted to BJP, helping it reach 38.5%. If Congress wins back that share, BJP's vote share will drop from 38.5% to 33.2%. 38.5 minus 5.3 equals 33.2%. Prediction based on this data. AAP 65 to 67 seats, Congress 0 to 1 seat, BJP 1 to 3 seats. Scenario 2. If Congress drops to 2.3%, BJP's vote share will rise. How? If Congress performs worse than in 2020 and loses 2% of its vote share, BJP is likely to benefit directly. Assumption: Congress's vote share drops from 4.3% to 2.3%. BJP gains the lost 2%. AAP and other parties' vote shares remain unchanged. As a result, BJP's vote share increases from 38.5% to 40.5%, 38.5 plus 2 40.5%. Prediction based on this data. AAP 58 to 62 seats, Congress 0 seats, BJP 8 to 12 seats. Scenario 3. BJP votes shift to Congress. This will benefit AAP significantly. How? Assumption: BJP supporters shift their votes to Congress in an effort to defeat AAP. AAP and other parties' vote shares remain unchanged. 3% of BJP voters move to Congress. BJP's vote share decreases from 38.5% to 35.5%. Congress's vote share increases from 4.3% to 7.3%. This shift benefits AAP significantly, allowing them to make major gains. Prediction based on this shift. AAP 65 to 69 seats, Congress 0 seat, BJP 1 to 5 seats. Scenario 4. Congress gains, AAP loses 1%, but AAP still benefits. How? Assumptions: Congress regains its 9.6% vote share from 2020. 1% of AAP's votes shift to BJP. In 2020, 0.7% of AAP's votes moved to BJP. BJP's vote share rises from 33.2% to 34.5% due to this 1% gain from AAP. However, BJP loses 5.3% of its vote share to Congress, bringing it back down. Congress's vote share increases from 4.3% to 9.6%. Despite AAP losing 1%, BJP's overall vote share drops by 4% due to Congress's gain, ultimately helping AAP make major gains. Predicted outcome: AAP 67 to 69 seats, Congress 0 to 1 seat, BJP 1 to 3 seats.